Alright, this is what I got. Made the adjustments to my workbench slash little miter station. Just picked up this Dewalt DW745S. Maybe the S is for the stand because it came with the stand. At any rate, made my adjustments. Table saw sits fairly flush. A little happy of the way it came out, in the sense that not perfectly level, but pretty close. I think as long as the bench was not higher than the table saw, I think that's an okay little fraction of being off that I can live with for the moment. What I didn't account for was the moving of the fence. And that's where it stops. Of course, I can go out, but that's going to be a problem for another day. I'm fairly pleased with the outcome. It works for now. If there's any cuts that need to be made in a different way, in the sense of having to cut in smaller increments, I can always shift to the stand, which I'll keep off to the side somewhere. For the moment, I'm going to live with that little imperfection until I can come up with a better plan, which is probably what I will do. I'll eventually do another workbench slash miter station slash table saw station. For the time being, I think we'll stay with that. As always, Sergeant approved. Get down, buddy. There you go. Now onto my, I think one of my next problems is going to be dust collection. Dust everywhere. Good Lord. Why didn't anybody warn me about that? Alright, thanks for tuning in to this little adjustment I made for my workbench. I'm going to live with that for the time being. Thanks for checking out the video. Let me know what you think. Other thoughts and ideas are always appreciated. Thanks.